This is pre-calculus final exam review question. Number 26. F of x equals x times 4x minus 1 to the 1/2. The directions are to find f prime of x. Since f of x is a product, the derivative is the first, which is red, times the derivative of the second. The second thing, which is green, is a number, understood, times something raised to a number. The derivative of the second is the 1/2 times the 1 times what's in the parentheses raised to the negative 1/2 times the derivative of what's in the parentheses. This is called the power rule. It's also called the chain rule. It's the 4 bells. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to the product rule. The derivative of a product is the first times the derivative of the second plus the second, which is green, times the derivative of the first. The first is x. The derivative of 1x is 1. F prime of x equals, there's a 1/2 and there's a 4. 1/2 times 4 is 2. There's an x, bring that down. There's 4x minus 1 that I'm going to temporarily call j. That's j raised to the exponent negative 1/2. After the plus sign is j raised to the 1/2. Temporarily, we're saying j is 4x minus 1. There's two terms here. J is in both. It's called a common factor. When we're factoring out the greatest common factor, we use the smallest exponent. The smallest exponent on j is negative 1/2. That comes out in front of 2x plus j with some exponent, question mark. I know that the exponent out here, that's negative 1/2, plus the exponent that is a question mark, has to equal the exponent that's in the previous step. That's 1/2. So look at this purple equation. Add 1/2 to both sides. 1/2 plus 1/2 is 1. That means I get to erase that question mark and make it a 1. Because j to the negative 1/2 times j to the first is j to the 1/2. When you multiply with the same base, you keep the base, which is j, and add the exponents. The exponent out here plus 1 is 1/2. So going from here to here is just factoring out the greatest common factor. So we have 2x plus j to the first power. And we're going to take this j to the negative 1/2, put it in the denominator, make it j to the positive 1/2. Now the exponent is not negative anymore. So f prime of x equals 2x plus j. J is actually 4x minus 1 over 4x minus 1 to the 1/2. Final answer, f prime of x equals 6x minus 1 over the square root of 4x minus 1.